Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm coming to you with an unboxing, a bag, and a few pieces that I think make an summer look stunning, outstanding. So let us start. And these pieces don't have to be expensive. Some of them are actually quite inexpensive. And I will link a few affordable alternatives for those pieces that are a bit on the pricier side. Everything you see in this video actually will be linked down below, and it is worth checking out my description box because I put a lot of effort in making the description box below this video as useful, as informative as possible for you guys. So there sometimes you will see mini reviews of things, you know, in terms of how they wash, how comfortable they are, and all that good stuff. So it is worth checking out my description box. Sorry about my matcha. My amazing husband got me a matcha. I have the feeling I was unfair on this bag. Let me tell you, this bag has been such a great actual purchase, and I have been carrying this bag non-stop since I got it, and I love it so much. But let us unbox this beauty. As I mentioned before, love bags in general. If you're new to my channel, you may not know. I love bags in general, but I'm crazy for summer bags. And that's also the reason why this one is going back. I bought this one from 24S as well, but this one is going back because I think I should see this bag in white, right? In white as well. And yes, so let us unbox this one. I'm so excited about this one. 24S is the sponsor of this portion of this video, but to be honest with you, they didn't have to sponsor this video even because, as you can see, let me show you, I buy a lot from them without any sponsorship because I love their services. Their customer service is amazing, and the selection of things they have is unbelievable. They don't have only your general designer brands, but also those brands that are difficult to get your hands on online, like Celine, Dior, even Louis Vuitton, and other brands. So they are worth checking out. Can you remember this code? This code is from 24S as well. I have been shopping from them forever. I genuinely enjoy shopping from them. I love how fast they are with shipping things, and also their items come beautifully packed. Please also find promo codes from 24S in my description box below this video to get up to 25% off on selected full price and sales items. And also, if you want, you can follow them on Instagram. Let us unbox this one. I'm so excited. I have, of course, unboxed this one already. It arrived, I think, yesterday, and I was too excited and I couldn't wait. Look at this. It's so beautiful, right? It is so beautiful. I am so in love with this one. I had this one in my cart for a while. I really wanted to get a bag like this, and I have tried so many different versions, you know, inexpensive versions from the high street, but also high-end brands. With these kind of bags, I like them to be a bit, you know, soft. I really wanted to have one with a top handle because I enjoy carrying my bags this way. By the way, this bag is by Paco Rabanne, and I absolutely love their bags. I mean, they have a few signature bags that are very well known, but I wanted to get this one because I wanted to have a bag that is practical yet beautiful and different. So, and this one is so stunning, even with what I have on. And the quality of this bag is just impeccable. I am so surprised. I mean, I was expecting something nice, but this one, I mean, the handle is beautifully done, you know, nothing is sticking out, everything is smooth and beautiful. Here you've got a leather, and this must be lamb leather because it's very soft. And this is actually the only leather that is worked into this bag. And then you have this, of course, signature handle, and also these signature pieces on top of the bag, stitched into the bag. And you have a strap as well with this bag. So such a beautiful, and you have a card or inside a compartment with this bag as well. So I am so in love with this bag. And this bag, you know, is very different from everything I own. And I thought, you know, this bag is a forever bag in my collection. At least I hope. It's such a beautiful one, right? So nice. And you know, this bag looks just so good with denim. Let me just show you. And I love, and I don't know why, but there is something about this color combined with denim. Gets me every time. I think this color looks so good with denim, right? Maybe not with these trousers, or even with these trousers, why not? I love these two colors together. I can't really explain it. I think a nice summer bag really helps to make your looking outstanding. What I love about these kind of bags, you know, is you pay once and they work for you for many years to come, and they get you excited every time you pull them out. At least this is the case with me. And God, so in love with this one. So in love with this one. I had my eyes on this bag for a very long time, actually, a few months now. And I couldn't find any photos or anyone wearing this bag. So normally, if I decide to go with a bag or with a brand, I always search for you know, inspiration as for how practical this bag could be. And with this one, I couldn't find any photos, but I had to get it. I love it so much, I can't even tell you. By the way, if you are new to my channel and you love anything fashion related, high-end, but also good quality, high street fashion, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you here. Thank you so much. Another category that in my eyes really helps to make your summer outfit looking outstanding is sets. I think sets can do so much for you, and as you can see, I love sets, and these are not the only sets I own. I have many sets and I wear them all the time, and they don't sit in my closet unworn, so they get a lot of wear, you know, because I have a very not a stressful but busy lifestyle. I need to get ready very fast, and I don't spend much time on my outfits. With the set, I'm very quick. I always feel put together, and I love them. I feel comfortable in them. Now, some of these sets, as I mentioned before, are expensive. This one is by Toteme. I absolutely love this set. And by the way, because somebody asked me if I have ever washed, I have washed the trousers now, and I can tell you now that they wash well. I wash them by hand. Anyway, I have this one in this color as well. Love, and I am also very tempted getting the matching top for it, you know, shirt, and the matching shorts for it, but they are not cheap, as you may know, and yeah, I have to think about that. I also wear these pieces separately a lot because they look just stunning on their own as well. The quality is fantastic. The silk, they are 100% silk, by the way, and the silk is very substantial. It's not thin, you know, it's not fragile, and also the stitching, you know, the details is just beautiful. I really love these. I will also include all the sizes down below, because I think when it comes especially to the trousers, I got these in a size European 34, and they fit me. I mean, I bought these, I think, 1 year ago, and back then I was a bit smaller, and but now I have put on a weight thanks to YouTube, because, you know, sitting and editing and spending a lot of time on my description box forces me to sit a lot, and, you know, I'm less active than I used to be. That must be it, right? Anyway, I was smaller, they still work, but this time I sized up in these. And also I think pyjama style should look like pyjama, right? It shouldn't really stretch and be tight. Anyway, then same thing, but a different price point. I got these, not same thing, not at all actually. These are also made out of 100% silk by COS, great quality still, but the quality of the material is, I would say, completely different, you know. I wouldn't say bad quality, but this one is different, it's much thinner, and these pieces were not actually cheap, around €100 each, trousers and top. But I love the color, and at COS they are marketed as actual pajamas, but I do wear them outside, and, you know, pairing these pieces with nice bags and shoes, they don't look sloppy at all. I wouldn't, no, not at all. I promise you, if it would, I wouldn't go even near them. But I mean, a bag like this would look in white. Imagine this one in white. Would look amazing with each of these pieces. And, you know, I think because these pieces are very casual, a structured or a more serious bag. Is this a serious bag? It is in my books. A serious bag would complement them so well. So, because some people ask me, they are not sure about wearing pajamas outside. I mean, you don't have to get the set, of course, and you don't have to wear the set together. You can wear them separately. For example, this one, as I mentioned before, this one comes with a matching top, and I wear this one outside, and I feel not sloppy or, you know, frumpy at all. So, but let us move on to the next piece. This one is by Toteme again. This one is unfortunately not available anymore. I don't understand why, because these two pieces, oh, I love them so much. I have been wearing these so much. And because I love the style, I'm thinking of getting a very similar style by House of Dagmar, is it called, I think. I will link them down below, the pieces I have in mind. And yes, I am pretty sure I will get those as well, because I wear them so much. I mean, these need to go to the washing now, because yes, I have worn them too much. And they are so playful, you know. Oh, by the way, these are two separate. I just assume you know it, because I have been featuring these pieces so much on my channel. But yeah, I forgot that maybe you are new on my channel and you haven't seen them. Here we have another sets. This one is comes with a top as well, which looks amazing, but it's in the washing at the moment. It is again by COS. So comfortable. These are so comfortable. I really hope they are still available. I will link them down below. This one and the matching top, just so good. I really love them. And then this one is by H&M. I bought this one last year, H&M Premium, I guess. And what can I tell you? Another two pieces that I have been wearing non-stop. I mean, what I love about this set is, and by the way, these are both 100% linen. The shorts, these shorts are extremely flattering. They are elongating, and they do all the good things to you. And I love them so much. I will see if H&M does them again. Otherwise, there are other brands that do similar things. I have seen a few, which I again will link down below for you. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumb up, and I will see you soon on my next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.